piston jet is damaged, and you can see the original horn of the engine block, I believe. Seems like the crankshaft was touching for some reason. I have no clue. Main bearings looks a little bit beat up, original ones without any coat. And here's the cap, crankshaft cap. You see, got pulling them a little bit weird out too. Yeah, definitely was lots of oil burn inside the engine and a lot of smoke inside. I can see that all the parts and everything. Like this block completely covered with the carbon dioxide and oil gases. The good thing, this engine is BF. It's the late version of the 2.7. Usually you can find this, sorry, you can find the letters on the side of the block. It says 21 BF. That means those main caps web much thicker than early version, which is makes block probably a little bit stronger than the early version of the block, which is a good thing, you know. I did this kind of BF engine on my 3.0 stroke long time ago, and I swapped the engine to B7. Car was made 6 plus 650, maybe close to 7. I never actually dyed it after I completed tune. It was pretty fast. And yeah, I don't know what's this causing to touch the crank. This one actually too. Maybe it was, I don't know, I don't want to tell anything. I'm gonna get the whole 3 new ones, just for in case. Alright. Yeah, the head is garbage. Lots of stuff is garbage. We're just gonna keep the block. Crankshaft is garbage. We're gonna keep the connecting rods because they almost brand new. We gotta keep OEM main cap for the crankshaft. We gotta use all performance bearings, main bearings, the connecting rod bearings. They're all gonna be performance ones. We gotta clean the engine. I might send it to the bed, to the nice wash, you know, and then I'm gonna paint everything nice. You will see. This will, you know, all the progress you will see in the car, on this car, whatever I'm gonna do to it. A lot of work. It's complete rebuild, like 100% rebuilt. I ordered 2.8 heads, which was already rebuilt. They should have new valve guide, and they all clean and nice and ready to go. So what I'm gonna do slight porting, polish, and drop all the SuperTech valves, retainers, titanium retainers, and SuperTech springs. So the engine will be ready for big power. We're using 92.8 stroke pretty much crankshaft from 3.0 engine to, you know, at the displacement of this block. I love the way it works. It's give you a lot of more gain than down low. We gotta keep same turbos is SRM RS6. I'm not sure. I think it's journal bearing. Yeah, it's definitely journal bearings. And they should be good for 550 to the wheel, 600. That's what we want. We're gonna be happy with the 550, 600 to the wheel. So it's gonna be nice turbo for this 3.0 stroke. Should spool up really fast, and, you know, noticeable down low power. We're getting AMD stage 4 performance clutch. I'm not sure yet, stage 3 plus or 4. It's up to the owner. And what else? Yeah, gonna be fun to drive it. So this is a good video for people who are doing the stroke engine. Just want to show you that I totally forgot to tell my machine shop to check the clearance of the crankshaft, and that was a long time ago when I did this. And 3.0 crankshaft, which is 92.8 millimeter stroke, it's hitting the block a little bit, so you have to grind. As you can see over there, I'm just gonna try to make it focus it, you know. My bad. You see, that's what I'm grinding. You gotta go do this side, and you gotta do other side right there. Just because I went already grind a little bit of bore, I had to take the file, or not the file, to, you know, smooth it out, handle it. Yeah, that's a pretty damn bad mistake for me. I should tell that to my machine shop to check that. And another one was hitting somewhere around here, so this will be what cylinder? This is the front of the engine, so this is the 6 and cylinder number 3. It's hitting pretty bad in this area. And cylinder number 1 and 2, same thing. You have to grind a little bit. So yeah, make sure you tell your machine shop to put the crank and spin around. For me, because I can't do it, for me it's easy to grind the crankshaft, but in my case it's already balanced, so I can't do anything with it. I can't grind it and anything like that. So the only thing is I have to grind the block itself, which is sucks, but I have no other choice. It should be fine. There is no kind of problem. Just have to wash everything perfect from the metal, and like I said, you just have to do small grind, nothing really crazy about it. Because when I put the crankshaft, I hear something's hitting. I thought oil supply jets for the pistons, right? Which one is right there? Another one here. Make sure it's nothing touching. This is very important. All right.